Hi, Emily, and everyone over at lukelandscape.com. Wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some information on how you can increase your online presence. My name's Christian. I'm with Ring and SEO, a local digital marketing agency. Three things I want to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. So content is not just the words on your website, but it's also pictures, how the pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, buyer intent keywords, and much more. So we like to recommend having 1,500 words minimum on any page that you're trying to rank in Google. So as you can see, you probably have about 150 words here. And that's fine, and it does get down to the point. But you're going to want to go in here and add some more words. In Google's eyes, content is king, and everything that that you do, you should post on here, and it's going to help you. So again, just go in here, add some more words, 1,500 minimum, and then 1,500 on any other page you'd like to rank. Service pages are fine to keep them around 500 to 750. But again, 1,500 words. You're going to want to make sure that these pictures are saved as buyer intent keywords. So landscaping and Lansing, Lansing landscaping companies, buyer intent keywords, and we'll talk about that later in the video. But just looks nice. I like the color. Very simple, straight to the point. But just go in and add more words. Content is king to Google, and so the more content you have, the better. Next is citations, and so we're going to jump over here. I typed in landscaping companies, Lansing, Michigan. And so I looked around, and you guys do not pull up first. So a citation is anywhere on the internet that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yelp. Any of those various directories that you have your business name, address, and phone number listed is going to give you a citation. And the more citations you have, the better. And that's going to help you with this map pack to bring you up to the top. So this is really ideally where you'd want to be. And then you want to set yourself up with a phone number so they can just hit click to call, and they can call you and you start getting more business right away. So I do have over here your map pack pulled up. And so 7 reviews, that's good, but I recommend keep on trucking. So we tell all of our clients minimum 25 Google reviews. So you want to make sure you have 25 Google reviews, so when you get done with these jobs, just, hey, can you guys feel free, go on the internet and give me a Google review. So just keep pushing those reviews, I do understand, but that is very important. And then also pictures. So it looks like you don't have any pictures here. You're going to want to go in and add 10 pictures minimum because Google's going to see these things, and it's going to help you to beat your competitors in the map pack for various buyer intent keywords. So add some pictures, keep pushing those reviews, everything else looks good. But yeah, so that's citations. And then last but not least, backlinks. So this is a paid tool I use called Ahrefs, and it has a lot of different information on your website, more than we're going to go into today. But so you have 120 backlinks from 16 referring domains. This right here is your trust flow, and you're out of whack right now. So you have a 20 URL rating and a 2.4 DR rating, and so these should be 1-to-1. So what that's showing me is that the backlinks that you do have are probably coming from spammy sites. So it's actually hurting you to have your website name on wherever they're named at because they're coming from either irrelevant sources or spammy sites. So what a backlink is anywhere on the internet that your website is listed anywhere. So you want to make sure that your website is listed in recognizable and trustworthy websites. Keywords here. So when someone types in Luke Landscape, you're in the #1 position, which is as to be expected because that's your company name. Anytime they type Luke Landscape in, you're in the #1. But now we go down to MSU Conservatory, 12. Lansing Home and Garden Show, 200 search volume per year. You're in the 19th position. That'd be a good one right there. You want to post on your website. Landscaping, Lansing, Michigan, 150 volume per year, per month actually, and you're in the 28th position. So that's page 2 or 3. So these are some buyer intent keywords that you're going to want to push into your website to bring your page up in Google and get you hopefully that number 1, number 2 spot, at least on the first page. So Emily and everyone at Luke Landscape, I appreciate you watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. I hope you have a good rest of your new year, and stay safe.